Hi, there he is.
Hey,
what's going on, brother? Doing good, man. How are you?
Good.
Good. Ready for a good tune-up?
Yeah.
All right. How's work?
It's good.
Busy?
Busy.
Good.
Starting to slow down a little bit.
That's all right. Yeah, that sun's keeping people from getting out there and actually playing golf.
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Oh, really? They still get out there, huh?
They come in to try and cool off afterwards.
That's when you hit them up with that, hey, I know you're thirsty. Let's get right here. Let's have you take a breath in all the way out, brother. Good. Yes, sir. Good. Stay right there. Right here. Nice. Good. And let's get this side up. Face me this way. Yes, sir. Good. And yep. You got it, man. And take a breath in. Oh, it's already all the way out. And good. And now we're gonna face this side. Good. It's off of the shoulder just a tad. There we go. All the way out. Oh man, on your back. Oof. Sound like the 4th of July right there. Hand right there, hold firmly, elbow straight. There we go. Good. Good job, relax. Remember ankle, knee, and hip. Yes, sir. Right there, relax. Good. And now let's do this side. That hand right there, Andy. Oh, nice. Wow, nice. Let's get this towel behind you. Let's cross these arms. You got it. Right there, brother. All the way out, Andy. Yeah. Let's have your arms here. Good. Yeah, let's get right here. So you keeping the sides short?
Yeah.
Yeah. Too hot to have long hair right now.
For sure.
Right here, brother. Just relax. Good. Nice. Let me do the towel traction on you. Have you lift your head, Andy. Right there, nice and relaxed. Good. Man. Let's finish with the ears. Right there. You can just stay right there. Oh. Nice.